How are you? I think you all are fine at home. Huh? We have completed 2 chapters. Chapter 1, numbers up to 10,000. Chapter 2, addition of numbers. We have completed. Now, chapter 3, subtraction of numbers. What is that? Subtraction of numbers. Subtraction means we take away smaller number from the bigger number. Smaller number from the bigger number. We taken away one number from another number. Minus is symbol for subtraction. How do you get difference? Big number minus small number. Difference is the result of subtraction. The result of subtraction. Before going to the class, one exercise, one small one is given in our textbook. Take your textbook, Nana. Take your textbook, page number 48. See this picture. Here they given some summary. You have. I am going to read that. You also followed this. Okay, Nana. Take. Ready? Come on. Page number 48, ma. Let us get started. Before going to concept, first we have to follow this. Anishka had a birthday party at her home. She ordered 65 donuts, 125 sandwiches, 148 juice tetra packs, 75 pastries, and 115 samosas for the party. What are the items? Donuts, sandwiches, juice tetra packs, pastries, samosas. After the party was over, she realized that a lot of food was left. She decided to donate the extra food to charity. Help Anishka figure out how much food she would be able to donate. Actually, here Anishka's birthday, she is going to order birthday party. She is going to celebrate her birthday party. She invite her friends for party. She is going to order donuts, samosas, pastries, juice and pastries. Some are finished, some are left in the food items. Then she has an idea. I given this remaining food to charity. Then how much food is remaining? How much food is the left food she has to given to charity? Left. Left is the clue word for subtraction. Here items goes to donuts, sandwiches, juice tetra packs, pastries, samosas. Now come to the question 1. During the party, 63 donuts, 102 sandwiches, 118 juice packs, 74 pastries and 100 samosas were eaten. How many items were left? Here their friends are party means all are yes, eaten food items, no? Here remaining food items. How many are left of each item? Okay? How many? She is going to order 65 donuts. How many donuts? See. How many donuts she is going to order? See the number 65. How many donuts? 65 she is going to order. How many they are eaten? 63 are eaten. How many are eaten? 63 donuts are eaten. How many are left? Left we get by subtraction. 65 minus 60. This is ordered by Anishka donuts. 63 is already eaten. How many are left? 2 are left. How many donuts are left? 2 are left. After completion of party, here you have to write how many donuts are left. 2 donuts are left. Next item goes to sandwiches. How many sandwiches she is? You have to write only answer in the textbook mark. How to do means you have to observe this. She ordered 65 donuts, 63 are eaten, left donuts are 2. We get the number by, we are going to take away 63 taken away from 65. That is called subtraction. Second one, sandwiches. How many sandwiches she is going to order? How many sandwiches? 125. How many sandwiches? 125 sandwiches she ordered per party. How many they are eaten? 102 are eaten. How many are eaten? 102. Then how many are left? How many are left? How do you get left sandwiches? We taken away 102 from 125. Taken away means subtraction. 102 subtract from 125. Then we get how many are left. Left is the clue word for subtraction. 5 minus 2, 3 and bring down 2. How many sandwiches are left? 23 sandwiches are left. Write number 23 here. Donuts, 2 donuts are left. Sandwiches are left 23. Third item goes to juice. Tetra packets. How many juice she is going to order? Juice packs. How many juice packs? See the number. How many juice packs? 148. 148. How many are branch juice packs? 118. 118 packs are over. Then we taken away 118 from 148. Taken away means minus. Here we find out left juice packs. Left juice packs get by taken away. Taken away symbol goes to minus. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. How many packs are left? 30 packs are left. How many packs are left? 30 packs are left. Next item goes to pastries. Next item goes to pastries. You have to write here. 2 donuts are left. 23 sandwiches are left. Juice packs are 30. How many juice packs are left? 30. Next one goes to pastries. Pastries. How many pastries she is going to order? How many pastries? See here number. 75 pastries. How many are eaten? 74 are eaten. How many are eaten? 74. How many are left? Number of left pastries are 1. How many pastries are left? Only 1 pastry left. Next item goes to samosas. How many samosas? 115. How many samosas? She ordered per party 115. 115 samosas she ordered for a birthday party. How many samosas are eaten? 100 samosas are eaten. 100 samosas are eaten. How many are left? How many are left? 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. 15 samosas are left. These are going to ordered items. These are going to eaten items. She ordered 65. Eaten are 63. Left donuts are 2. Left sandwiches are 23. Left juice packs are 30. Left pastries are only 1 pastry. Samosas are 15 samosas are left. You have to write here. Donuts are 2. Sandwiches are 23. Juice are 30. Pastry 1. Samosas 15. Those are left item, left food items. Next question. Name the food items that you think Anishka would be able to donate. Which food item she is going to donate? We are going to think. Which items are more? That item she is going to donate. Here only 1 pastry that is not able to donate. Here donuts are only 2 that is also not able to donate. Then she is going to able to donate sandwiches, juice packs and samosas. These three food items are more or left. That's why Anishka is able to donate sandwiches, juice packs and samosas. Here you have to write the items. Name the food items that you think Anishka would be able to donate. Donors are only 2. This is not able. Here pastry is 1. That's why she is going to donate sandwiches. Right here Nana. Sandwiches, juice packs and samosas. She is able to donate. Right here. What are the food? Name the food items that you think Anishka would be able to donate. Sandwiches, juice packs and samosas. Write these 3 food items here. Understood? Here concept goes to she ordered some food items. Remaining food items, those who are left, those food items she is going to donate to one charity. Here sandwiches are more, juice packs also more or left, samosas are also left more. That's why she is going to donate sandwiches, juice packs and samosas to charity. Okay, now we are going to concept. What is the name of the chapter? Yes, subtraction. Here we find out left items. We get the left items by taken away small number from the big number. That is called subtraction. We taken away. Next, minus is symbol for subtraction. M-I-N-U-S. Minus is symbol for subtraction. Next, the result of subtraction is difference. The result of subtraction is difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Subtraction means we take away small number from the big number. Okay. Minus is symbol for subtraction. The result of subtraction is called difference. Now, subtraction facts. Subtraction facts. That means rules in the subtraction. Rules in the subtraction. First one. When we subtract 0 from a number. When we subtract 0 from a number, the answer goes to same number. The answer does not change. Why? 0 means nothing. We subtract 0 from a number. 0 ni number lo nunchi subtract cheste same number answer vastundi. See example. 25 minus 0. The answer does not change. The difference goes to same number. 49 minus 0. 49. 178 minus 0. The difference is 178. 846 minus 0. 846 only comes. Why? 0 means nothing. That's why when we subtract 0 from a number, the answer does not change. We get the same number. Understood? Now go to second fact goes to when we subtract 1 from a number less than the given, 1 less than the given number. Very easy. When we subtract 1 from a number, the answer goes to before number of the given number. 1 less than the given number or before number of the given number. Okay, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is, the difference is before number of the given number. Let us see the examples. 56 minus 1, 55. 56 before 55. 87 minus 1. What comes before 87? 86. 1 less than 87. Before number of 87. 138 134 minus 1, 133. 698 minus 1, 697. This is the second rule in the subtraction. Once again, when we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is the before number of the given number. See the example, 56 minus 1, 56 before 55. 87 minus 1, the difference goes to before 87, 86. 134 minus 1, 133. 698 minus 1, 697. 1 less than given number or before number of the given number. Okay. Third one goes to when we subtract number from itself, the answer, the difference is 0. That means we subtract number from same number, the answer is 0. Now let us see third one. Number subtract from itself. Third one, number subtract from itself. That means number minus same number. Ready? 38 minus 38, 0. 79 minus 79. What is the difference? 0. Why here we get 0? Subtraction means big number minus small number. Here we are going to compare big number minus small number. We get the difference by subtraction. Difference equal big number minus small number. But here both are same. No big number, no small number. Both are same. That's why the difference is 0. 126 minus 126. The difference is 0. 559 minus 559. What is the answer? 0. These are the subtraction facts. That means rules in the subtraction. First one is when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is same number. Second one, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is before number of the given number. Third one, number subtract from itself, the difference is 0. Number subtract from itself means same number. Number minus same number, the answer is 0. These are the rules in the subtraction. Are you clear? Okay. Once again, subtraction. We taken away small number from the big number. Okay. Minus is symbol for subtraction. The result of subtraction is difference. Next, number minus 0 before number of the number minus 0, the difference is same number. Number minus 1 before number of the given number. Number minus itself, the difference is 0. Now, subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. 2-digit means 10 to 99. 10 to 99. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. That is going to subtract. Already you learned subtraction in second class. Subtract 2-digit number from 2-digit number, 3-digit number from 3-digit number. Now once again we are going to do, we taken away 2-digit number from 3-digit number, 2-digit number from 3-digit number, 2-digit from 2-digit, with grouping, without grouping. Let us see the examples. 98 minus 26, 2-digit number from 2-digit number. 75 minus 49, we take away 2-digit number from 2-digit number. 678 minus 401. Next, 743 minus 175. Next one, 862 minus 48. Let us see the examples. All of you observe. 98 minus 26. Subtraction also start from ones place. 2 digit means that number having 2 places. Start from ones place. It is possible. Why? Subtraction means big number minus small number. 8 is greater than 6. It is possible. Close fingers. We are going to using close fingers. Start counting from 6 till we get 8 in the counting. 6 after 7, 8. How many fingers? 2. 8 minus 6, 2 right in the ones place. Now going to subtract tens. 9 minus 2. 9 is greater than 2. It is possible. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 7. 9 minus 2, 7. This is difference. We subtract 2 digit number from 2 digit number without regrouping. Without regrouping. Okay, now come to here. 75 minus 49. Ones place, tens place. Here also start from ones. 5 is less than 9. It is not possible. Why? 5 is small, 9 is big. Subtraction is not possible. Then with regrouping. With regrouping means borrowing concept. Borrowing means one number moving from tens place to ones place. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 5 becomes 15. Then 5 becomes 15. 7 changes into 6. Understood? Now 15 is greater than 9. Now subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 6. That means 15 minus 9, 6. Now subtract tens. Here 7 changes into 6. Now in the tens place, subtraction is 6 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6. What is the difference? 2. Now the difference is 26. 75 minus 49, 26. Now come to next one. 678 minus 401. We subtract 3 digit number from 3 digit number. Start from ones. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Start from ones. 8 is greater than 1. It is possible. Number minus 1. What is the rule? Yes, before number of 8. 8 before 7. Now come to tens. Number minus 0. 7 minus 0. 7. Very good. Now come to hundreds. 6 minus 4. It is possible. Close fingers. 4 after 5. 6. 2. The difference is 277. Understood, my dear children? Do you follow me? You write this in your homework book. I given classwork afterwards. Okay? You watch the video and practice in your homework book. Now come to next one. 743 minus 175. Here also start from ones place. We taken away 3 digit number from 3 digit number. 3 minus 5. It is not possible. Why? 3 is less than 5. 3, 5 kanna small number. Subtraction is not possible. Then with regrouping. That means one number moving from tens place to ones place. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 3 becomes 13. 4 becomes 3. At a time you have to change one's number. Don't forget the changing of numbers at a time. Now 30 minus 5 is possible. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 8. 30 minus 5, 8. Now 3 minus 7. It is also not possible. Why? 3 is less than 7. Again borrowing. Again one number moving from hundreds to tens. Then 3 becomes 13. 7 changes into 6. Here also you have to change both the places numbers at a time. Here also using concept of borrowing, one number moving from left side to right side. That means hundreds place to tens place. Now 13 minus 7 is possible. Do counting. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. Now hundreds. 6 minus 1. Number minus 1 before number. 6 before 5. We get the difference. 568. Understood? Here 3 minus 5 is not possible. Using borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. Then 3 changes into 13. This 4 changes into 3. Again 13 minus 5, 8. Here 3 minus 7 not possible. Again borrowing concept. One number moving from hundreds to tens. Then this 3 becomes 13. This 7 changes into 6. Now 13 minus 7, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, understood? Okay, next 862 minus 48. We taken away 48 from 862. Okay, come on, let us see. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 2 minus 8 not possible. Why? 2 is less than 8. 2 is less than 8. Using concept of borrowing. One number moving from tens to ones. 2 changes into 12. 6 changes into 5. Now 12 minus 8 is possible. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. Write in the ones place. Now 5 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 1. Now here no hundreds place number. Then bring this number to difference place. The answer goes to 814. I think you all are clear, but you have some confusion here. Don't confuse, very easy. All of you do counting like this only. Close fingers, start counting from lower number to till you get upper number in the counting. One more example. Are you clear about this? Come on, check it. Ready, my dear children? Come on. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers. Once again, I show you borrowing concept. 963 minus 28. Come on, all of you, listen now. Start from ones place, Nana. First one number is 3-digit number. Second number is 2-digit number. Subtraction start from ones. 3 minus 8 is not possible. 3 is less than 8. Then borrowing concept. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 3 becomes 13. 6 changes into 5. Understood? Borrowing concept from tens to ones. The number moving from tens place to ones place. 10 and 3 make 13. Now 13 is greater than 8, subtraction is possible. Come on, start. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 5. 13 minus 8, 5. Now tens. 5 minus 2, it is possible. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 3. Now here no hundreds place number. Then bring down 9. Now the difference is 935. Here we are going to using borrowing concept from tens to ones. From tens to ones. Okay? Another example. Are you understood this? Come on. 894 minus 56. One more example, Nana. Yes, start from ones place. First number is 3-digit number. Second number is 2-digit number. We subtract 56 from 894. 4 minus 6 is not possible. 4 is less than 6. Then borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. One number moving from tens to ones. Then 4 changes into 14. 9 changes into 8. First you have to change the numbers like this. Now 14 minus 6 is possible. Start counting. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Stop counting. How many fingers? 8 fingers. Again. 14 minus 6. We take away 6 from 14. That's why we start counting from 6 till we get 14. Come on. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 fingers. 14 minus 6, 8. Now tens. 8 minus 5 is possible. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 3. Now here no hundreds place number. Bring down hundreds place number. Now the difference is 838. Here also subtraction with regrouping tens to ones. Tens to ones. Now another example. Subtraction with regrouping hundreds to tens. Tens to ones. 845 minus 378. Both are 3-digit numbers. Both are 3-digit numbers. We taken away 378 from 845. 378 ni 845 lo nunchi subtract chestunna. Start from ones place. Come on. 5 is less than 8. Subtraction is not possible. Using borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. Then 5 changes into 15. 4 changes into 3. Understood? Now 15 minus 8 is possible. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7. 15 minus 8, 7. Now come to tens. 3 minus 7 not possible. 3 is less than 7. Again grouping. Now one number moving from hundreds to tens. Borrowing concept from hundreds to tens. Then 3 becomes 13. 8 changes into 7. 3 changes into 13. 8 changes into 7. Now 13 minus 7 is possible. 13 is greater than 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. Now hundreds. 7 minus 3 possible. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. This is going to subtraction with regrouping 100 to tens, tens to ones. We are going to, yes, the number moving from tens to ones, the number number moving from hundreds to tens, left to right, left to right. Understood? Okay children, we are going to continue in the next class also same concept. Don't worry about subtraction, very easy. Maths is easy. Okay Nana? Thank you very much. Practice in your rough notes and learn tables. Don't forget the tables. 2 to 10 tables. Okay my dear children. Thank you very much. Bye.